Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this today's video, we are explaining about Azure Synapse Analytics, which is the key feature of Azure Data Engineering, and why we have to talk about Azure Synapse. See, when we want to make a query from like a resource group, like if we have a CSV in our resource group, if we want to make a queries without immigrating into this database, like without any database, we can make the queries with by using the serverless synapse like database. So without any further delay, let me show how to save the CSV into the storage account, and how we will link into this Azure Synapse, and then we will visualize the data. So okay, without any further delay, let's get into our video. See here, moving into the first slide of PPT, like we are making from Azure Synapse from the CSV, we have to use the serverless SQL pool, and why we have to use the Azure Synapse Analytics. See, for reading the CSV JSON formats directly from the blob storage without moving into this database, I already said. And what the thing here is, save the money and the time and pay what we have to use. Okay, and in one line you can easily know no loading of into this database, like whatever like our CSV data will be there now. So we can make a query and pay what we use for. That's it. And first thing we have to design a CSV, and then where we have to save it into this Azure blob storage, and then we have to drag into this Azure Synapse. Okay, we have to link with it into this Azure Synapse, and then finally we will create a serverless database. In this we will make a queries, and we will make a external resource table. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into this deployment. Okay, see, first thing we have to create a CSV of month and temperature. What we have the month January, February, March, April, and I am giving some random temperatures, and how we will visualize into our serverless Synapse account. And first let me open my Chrome, and here it's the Azure like dashboard, the like portal.azure.com, and here I have empty workspace. And now what I have to do, I have to create a resource group. See, these are my default resource groups, and let me create a resource group of test win, and in the region of US state 2, and click on review and create. It will validate first, and then we have to click on create. It able to create the resource group. Yes, click to go resource group, and then I'm see, it's the new one like there was nothing here. We had to create from the scratch, and first of all I want to create a storage account. First what we have to do, storage account, right? So let me check on this, and I have to create the storage account first. Okay, see, I already select the resource group as the test win, and then my storage account, my storage. So some of the random names I should have to maintain, because our names must be unique. Like it will not match to if any other guy will give some name my storage, then it will not accessible to my storage account. That's what I have to give the unique value. See, and in the primary service we can click on, like, see, if we connect on the files, like we are working on tables or the queries or the blob storage, anything. By default it will take the data gen, so we can leave as teach, and click on advanced. We have the some of the sources we have to click on. See, enable hierarchical namespace. What it will do, I will explain later. It will create the folders within the container. For this we have to click on review and create. and after validating we need to click on create. So it will take some time. Wait for some time. It was going to submit. So now deployment is in progress, and after this we will create an overview after deploying, and we have to maintain some containers, like it will automatically give the default container as the log. We will see after this deployment. I'm not doing the parallel tasks because we don't have to, like on the like in the flow only we have to go, because you need to understand na, that's why. So click on containers here after creating of storage account. See, I already mentioned we have the like default container. So we have to create my container create. So after creating this, now I am going parallel. Yeah. So what I have to do here, I'm again going into this test wins resource group 2. Yeah, and then click on create. What we have to create, we have to create Azure Synapse Analytics. So click on the Microsoft like Azure Synapse Analytics, the first one, and click on create. So my container was created, and click on here, and now we need to add the directory. And now I'm going parallel, don't be confused. And now I'm clicking on my files, right? So let me click on save, and see, I am able to create a file dictionary, right? File directory. So what we have to do, I need to upload the CSV here, temperature. So let me click on OK, upload. So it was going to upload, and here what I have to do, I don't have to give any like see, it is the Azure Synapse Analytics, don't be confused. And then the manage resource group, we can give my manage resource group, hmm? Something, any name we can give, or we can leave it as it is. Okay, now my workspace, I need to give my workspace FAS key, and then it should be, must be unique. It must be unique, that's why I'm giving some random names, and it will be west US. And now I need to give my storage account, and it will automatically detect the container. So no need of doing all the things. And in the security we don't have anything, we can give some passwords. Microsoft @123, Microsoft @123. Okay, so use only Microsoft Entra ID authentication, like no need of all the things. So let me click on review and create. So it was charging 5 USD dollars, okay, for the serverless SQL account. So let me click on create. It was going to deployment. I think it will give some errors, sort of errors. We will check. If I got the error, I need to resolve now. So we will hope for not to get any error. The loading, the deployment is in progress. If I got the error, we won't do anything. No, I'm not getting any error here. So okay, it was taking 2 to 3 minutes usually. So after this deployment, we have to link this Synapse account to storage account, and let me click on home. But before this, just a second. Otherwise, we can drag. We can directly drag. Yeah. So now here we have to click on home. We will see what happened. Click on home. See, I have my storage account. I have my resource group. I have my Azure subscription, and now I need to get my Azure Synapse account. While it was deployment takes so much time, whether it will be taken 5 minutes at least. We had to wait. I'm pausing my recording, I think. Wait for some other time. What will happen? So whether if you are creating a Synapse account, like how much time it will be, you can compare with my recording. Whether it will be taken as of me or not, you can check. So that's why I'm not pausing my recording. No, I lose my patience here, and now I need to stop. Okay. So now see, our deployment is successful. Let me go into this Azure Synapse account, and now what I have to do. Okay, let me click on my Azure Synapse, and now we will land into this overview dashboard. And now what I have to do, I have to click on Open Synapse Studio. See, this is my it will launch the studio, and this is my home page. And now let me click on refresh. See, now I have the storage account and my Synapse account, and this Synapse account will manage this storage account. By default we will give the container. See, while creating of Synapse account only, we will give the container and my storage account na? So it will automatically link, but we will give the extra configuration regarding to this. See, I have my Synapse dashboard, and we can visualize here. We can ping the data here, like we have the data dashboards, all the things. See, we have the integrate functions. We can create the pipelines here. See here the pipelines. We have to see, we have the manage accounts, we have the monitor, all the things. While we are running the pipeline, we can monitor here. And here in the link accounts, we have already my workspace, my storage account not get created. So let me create storage account, my data generation. So let me, what I have to give here, Azure subscription, and here my storage account name. I can link this. So let me click on create. It was able to creating. And not only this, we have what we have to do in this dashboard. No, yeah, in this my storage account, this is my Synapse account, right? This is my storage account. And now let me click on storage. So let me click on storage account again. So don't be confused, it will see, I was yeah, I link my works like a storage account here, and let me click on my data. So let me create a SQL database, and now we have two things. One is dedicated and the other is serverless, right? We need to click on serverless, and we have to write, something. What we have to write? My serverless. Yeah. Enter. Let me click on create, right? So whether it will be create or not, we have to check. Click on refresh. I think it will take 5 to 7 minutes. I immediately get refresh, but no, don't be worry. We have a SQC. Before it was not there. Now it was get able to create. See, it's my serverless, and in this we have the external tables, external resources, like file formats, views, all the things. And now what I have to do, in my storage account, I need to link that thing to here, and we need to make the queries. And now click on access control and click on add role. What I have to do, we need to give the permission of the my account to Synapse account, right? What I need to do here, storage, yeah, blob storage, blob storage, data contributor, yeah, and click on next. In the members, we need to click on managed identity and the select members. In here, we will get the Synapse workspace, right? In this Synapse workspace, we will automatically get one name, and we need to select this workspace, and we need to click on review and assign. After validating, we will see there fail to add role assignment. See what the thing, troubleshooting. No, I think no need of troubleshoot. So we will check what it will do. We will do manually, but we will check also this. Is it correct resource? Yes, both are in same resource group. Yes, click on yes. Then what it will give the answer? We need to click on IAM, right? That's it. Azure role. So what it will give? Uh, just open the Azure portal, sign in, navigate to storage account, and select the IAM and click on add role assignment, and check on the role what we want to assign for. Okay, in the roles we need to give one contributor. So normal contributor, but does not allow you assign roles in RBAC. So we will click on owner also, hmm? Contributor, and then storage, blob, data contributor, right? That's it, done. So after this, what it was saying, yeah, that's it, sir. And the owner and the contributor, what do I have to do? In the role assignments, the owner is already access. No, click on here only. 1 second we will try. But storage, blob, data contributor, and data owner. Why can't we select the both? So we will give the owner only first. Okay, click on next, manage identity, and select the members and synapse account, and we will click on select. So let me click on review and access. Now also it will give error, I think. Okay, add a role assignment, it's done, and we will do that one also if possible. Okay, storage, blob, data contributor. hmm. Now see, if now also it will, if it will show us error, then we will directly, okay, okay, we already select, and now it will throw us error. See, we will give the owner, right? It will enough, it is enough, there is no need of yeah, no need. So let me try. If it is not possible, then we will check. Okay, so IAM is done, and in the containers, what I have in my container, in my files, I have the temperature.csv. I have to copy this, and click on this. And now what I have to do here, I need to go into my Azure Synapse account, and let me click on refresh here. So let me refresh my whole Synapse Analytics, and now I am getting into my land on my whole like same page. I am getting 404 issue. So I had to get the database right. Where this database, in the link, Azure data storage, my workspace, attached containers. Can I write the query here? There is no need. Yeah. So actually, SQL databases, I already created my serverless now. Yeah, cancel. Discard changes. So Synapse Live. Yeah, let me check. 1 second. Let me refresh. So we will check. Yeah, we have to get, see what this fail to load, 404 credentials, SQL script, all the things. So what we have to do, create a serverless, new serverless, my serverless 2. Okay, let me click on create. What it will do, click on refresh, building resources. I have to get the SQL database right. I will have to get the integrate all the things. SQL, I must need to get connect to get external data. There is no need of continue. We already connect this here. That's it, no? Storage account. And let me click on review and create file to public test connection. We don't get this test connection, all the things, but just a second. And now what I have to do is, if I'm not getting like this, we will do like this, the like database storage. So I'm getting error. Yeah, anyhow we will try one empty try like a script. Okay, what we have to do, select hmm, store from what open row set. Okay, in this open row set, what we have to give, bulk. Bulk is nothing but what we see, we already copy and paste now. Where where, so is it my storage account? No. Yeah, it's my storage account. Actually I get into this containers. So my files, get temperature, copy. Now variable dedicated, control V, comma, and then format equals to CSV. So and now add result, right? So let me run this query. So what I have to give here, let me remove it as a result. Okay, so let me publish, right? Okay, click on publish. So select first 5000 rows, right? But publishing error we are getting. So we have to use the database. Yeah, I'm using my serverless database. And now let me click on run, whether we need to get, I think all the false. The format is it's not accepting the CSV with the open rows dataset to define a schema. Okay, see here I'm getting my database, but how many database I'm creating, but here I am not unable to show, but not at all issue. We will do it. Okay, just a second. First we have to create a schema, right? And now let me run this. I'm giving parser as a 2.0 and format as a CSV, and now click on run. So I think now it will get. If now also we will not get, then we won't do anything. I'm getting temperature, month and temperature, but weather result in the tabular format, in the charts, in the table we have to get at least January and February, na? But we are not unable to getting here. So if I are giving varchar age of 100, so let me try this. Select star from open row dataset temperature dot csv, all the things are good. But for why? No, let me so now let me run again. Yeah, now I'm getting my data. See, so you have to write this open row dataset and format as csv, and I need to write these things also. Parser version 2.0, first row equals to 2. Okay, so and what I'm giving, month and the temperature as the column headers. And now I want to visualize into this charts. See, you can able to check, right? But what I have to do, I have to take it up. So okay, I'm getting as the line chart from the temperature like 46, and there's the third temperature. Yeah, but I need to get all these legends also, right? Legend dash the month. No, legends is category as month, right? Month and the temperature, and we will give as the bar charts. See, I am getting the January of which temperature, February of how much temperature I'm getting. So I'm visualizing into my Azure Synapse without any serverless, like without any SQL database. So right, we can directly getting into our Synapse account, and we can use the bar, column, line, pie charts, scatter charts, all the things. See, in the scatter charts I'm able to like x and y columns. So let me again click it into this bar charts, and we can save this image as the png, and we can able to check in Power BI or anything. So this is what we can able to fetch our records from blob storage to Azure Synapse account. So you can able to check, right, how I'm getting. So please subscribe my channel and follow my videos for my updating like Azure data engineering pipelines. So we will do some other videos, and thanks for watching. Sign off. Yeah.